Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you why this inset net bag is such a necessity for your own fruit trees. So one of the favorite things that I have with these, a zipper from the top to the bottom, which makes it so easy to put onto your trees without damaging any branches or any new foliage. Especially with me here in Canada, these lightweight mesh bags make it so easy for me to put on and to protect from all the insects that are now starting to come alive as the weather starts getting warmer. It is UV resistant. So having these mesh bags on your fruit trees will prevent the animals from getting in, the deer, the birds, especially with my cherry trees, and the insects, which is great. It gives them a fighting chance. So if you want to protect your fruit trees like mine from insects, deer, rabbits, especially with my cherries, birds, then I definitely recommend these mesh bags by Homoda. And that's my point of view.